just got this air duster that I'm super excited about. So let's open up and show you everything that's included. This one's the gray color, but they come in a few different color options. They come in like a blue, a purple. You get a nice little manual, and then you get this nice little felt carrying bag. Here is the air duster itself. Wow, it's actually all metal, so that's super nice, and it's also tiny. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so in here, all the attachment pieces. Oh yeah, perfect. So there is a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB. And then you also get the different attachment components for the ends, depending on the size of air you want to blow. You have a little brush for cleaning, and then you have another brush for cleaning, which is perfect for dusting. And then this does have a little cover on the button, and we're going to charge this up before we use it and circle back with you momentarily. So I removed the plastic cover and it's all charged up now. So there is an in and an out marked at the top. So the attachment nozzles you're going to want to put on the outside. So they just pop in and then tighten down. You just kind of twist to tighten it down, and then it sits in place. So there's one button, which is your on, off, and mode button. On the back, this will flash blue or solid blue, depending on the mode you select. There are multiple modes to choose from, depending on the speed you want to send air through it. It can get hot because it is running a really high RPM motor. It is 180,000 RPMs. So you have a bunch of different attachments. They all basically do the same thing. They all direct airflow through the attachment piece. It just depends on what kind of airflow you want to direct through is why you'd use different attachments. So let's say you're cleaning out something like a computer keyboard. You want something that's super directed. So you might want this tiny piece of airflow. So I'm gonna put it on the outside, and I'm gonna hold the button to turn on. You could hold it again to turn off. And then once it's on, you're going to tap it a couple times to choose your mode. So the nice thing is you're able to easily clean anything you're looking to do. This is super great for electronics because with keyboards or other different devices, you get stuff clogged in lost spots, especially if you have dogs like we do. So this is something super handy that I've really been excited and looking forward to. So I highly suggest you check this out.